Think DNA testing tells you everything? Think again. Your genes are not your destiny. And today I'm sharing 5 surprising things DNA testing won't tell you. Most people think doing a DNA test will give them all the answers to their health, but I'm here to tell you it leaves out some important pieces. Myth 1: DNA tells you exactly what diet to eat. Truth: your genes provide clues, but your blood work is a snapshot of your body right now. Myth 2: if you don't have the gene, you're in the clear. Truth: environment and lifestyle can flip the switch on many issues. Myth 3: your pain is 100% genetic. Truth: pain is complex. Stress, posture, past injuries, even digestion play a huge role. Myth 4: you need to keep retesting your DNA. Truth: your DNA doesn't change. You only need to test once, but it's the interpretation that evolves. By looking at your full genetic blueprint, we can understand foundational pathways that affect everything from inflammation to detox, so we know where to focus. Myth 5: DNA is your destiny. Truth: your daily choices matter more than your genetic code. Genes are not the full story. I have helped clients who were frustrated but what their DNA test didn't explain. That's why I combine genetic insights with lifestyle, pain patterns, and functional testing to create personalized plans that actually work. Curious if genetic testing is right for you? Book a 15-minute call and let's chat. Or if you're ready to decode your health, my full testing and analysis package gives you real answers, not just raw data.